Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making yummy spicy roasted chicken like Albaik. I am taking chicken drumsticks 900 grams. You can use any pieces. In a bowl, hot sauce 1/4 cup, red chili sauce 1/4 cup. Mix everything. Inject the sauce to chicken. Keep aside. In a plate, corn flour 1 cup, all-purpose flour 1 cup, salt as per taste, red chili powder 4 to 5 tablespoons. Mix all dry ingredients. Keep aside. Now dip the chicken. Dip the chicken in dry flour. Now in water or in egg yolk. Do like this. Keep aside. In a hot oil, fry on medium heat until crispy. Now enjoy yummy chicken with white garlic sauce. So soft and juicy and crispy chicken. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.